culture of lawlessness. Desire for human flesh grows as cannibalism returns and bloodthirsty scientists reveal new discoveries. New research reveals that early humans feasted on human flesh as part of ritual practice and culture. Such practices are of old and are rapidly returning to the forefront of our society. Scientists recently discovered that young human blood can regenerate the memories of the old. Previous research showed that the practice of cannibalism might have been for extra calories and protein, but the discovery proves that the early humans ate flesh out of choice. The lack of morality evident within ancient cultures is resurfacing in today's time of lawlessness. The Bible speaks of the ancient days of lawlessness many times throughout the Old Testament, and the Bible depicts that those days will come again. Specifically in Scripture, it is mentioned how God cursed the lawless with cannibalism. In Leviticus chapter 26, verse 29, "And ye shall eat the flesh of your sons, and the flesh of your daughters shall ye devour." Deuteronomy chapter 28, verses 53 through 57, Jeremiah chapter 19, verse 9, Lamentations chapter 2, verse 20, Ezekiel chapter 5, verse 10. All of those are scriptures that pertain to cannibalism. According to Scripture, it is evident that God cursed many with cannibalism, and the archaeological evidence supports that fact. As the world turns its back on God, God is cursing the world. Such is evident with a new study published in the journal Nature. A protein found in young human blood plasma can improve the brain functions of old mice. The finding was published on April 19, 2017. For decades, scientists have researched the effects of young blood on aging in mice through a technique called parabiosis, in which an old mouse is sewn together with a younger one so that they share a circulatory system. However, until now, the rejuvenation effects had only been studied from mouse to mouse. The work has inspired some companies to begin testing on the elderly, in which people are infused with blood from younger adult donors and then tested for physical improvements, most likely because they're afraid of dying. Now, how close is that to Leviticus chapter 26, verse 29? Leviticus chapter 26, verse 29 reads, "And ye shall eat the flesh of your sons, and the flesh of your daughters shall ye devour." They are taking the blood of the youth, injecting it into the old to see what happens. That is incredible that the Bible predicted this. Not only did it happen in old times, but it's happening again. However, until now, the rejuvenation effects had only been studied from mouse to mouse. The work has inspired some companies to begin testing on the elderly, in which people are infused with blood from younger adult donors and then tested for physical improvements. Now, right now, it's younger adults. But this new study isn't necessarily with younger adults. Matter of fact, let me read more. The companies involved became interested in what very young human blood would do. And after fusing the mice with the human baby's blood, the mouse exhibited improved abilities to navigate mazes and to learn to avoid areas of their cages that deliver painful electrical shocks. When the researchers dissected the animals' brains, they found that the cells, the region that is associated with learning and memory, expressed genes that cause neurons to form more connections in the brain. This didn't happen in mice treated with blood from older human donors. Literally, Leviticus 26, verse 29 is actually playing out in this particular incident. Now, of course, there are others which are also playing out in that very verse right there. But this new study further proves that culture is returning to lawlessness, culture is returning to cannibalism, culture is returning to the lust for flesh. And scientists are paving the way. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and listening. We need your support to keep going. If you can and if you're willing, please subscribe to the website right now. For $1.50 per month, we have a deal going on. The description, the link is in the description, and of course the discount code is also in the description box. Help us keep fighting, and help us keep trying to bring this information to light, so that way you can find out what's actually going on. And of course, if you subscribe, you get access to all of our unlimited information as well. Thank you guys so much for watching and listening, and thank you for subscribing. God bless and carry on.